gulay na or yung prutas na bibilhin natin. So, first of all, kailangan visually good. Kumbaga wala yung peste doon, walang discolorations, walang residue ng chemicals. And of course, yung mga butas, kailangan natin tingnan kung napasok na. Malay mo, may bonus, minsan nandun pa yung mismong friend natin. Di ba? So,
minsan totoo, meron pa.
yung mga gumagalaw dyan. So, kailangan nating tingnan yon. That's the number one thing. And then, of course, yung physical characteristics, no, you need to feel it. You need to feel if it's firm enough, or you need to feel it around if mayroong mga soft spots. Usually, pag prutas may soft spots, it means meron na siyang bacterial infection or meron na siyang rotting na nagaganap dun sa loob.
Mushy na, no?
Yes. So, kahit maliit yon pag kuha nyo sa grocery, pero pag uwi nyo, malaki na yon. So, vegan